Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we'll be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures to help you with the word, and your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word, you stretch the sounds out slowly, and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Minibeast. I, N, I, B, I, T. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go one more time all together. Minibeast. I, N, I, B, I, T. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Minibeast Poems. Here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Minibeast Poems. The Wuzzy Wasps of Wasperton. The wuzzy wasps of Wasperton are buzzing around the plums and sucking all the juicy ones before somebody comes. The wuzzy wasps of Wasperton are buzzing around the pears and choosing all the ripest ones. They think the orchard's theirs. The wuzzy wasps of Wasperton steal fruit fit for a king, but don't disturb them. If you go, those wuzzy wasps can sting. Fly, 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 please go away, I beg. You've nibbled at my nose, you've nibbled at my leg. You've tickled my toes and ears and arms, you've wandered on my foot. You've dipped into my lemonade, you're really rather rude. I must insist you go away, you are an awful pain. Buzz off, annoy some quiet cow, and don't come back again. Ants. Dad says I've got ants in my pants, when I can't sit still at all, but the only ants I see are crawling on my garden wall. Spider in the bath. I've picked up frogs and patted dogs, stroked the skin of snakes. I've tickled cats, examined bats, fed the ducks and drakes. I've chased fat hens, pushed sheep in pens, held chickens in my hand, been stung by bees on both my knees, pulled crabs out of the sand. I've watched a mole go down his hole, followed ants along a path. So why am I so frightened of a spider in the bath? A blue bottle is. A blue bottle is a buzz, a whiz, he's faster than you, a dazzle of blue, that's what he is. A blue bottle is a buzz, a whiz, a dive, a zoom, a catch if you can, a rocket for one, that's what he is. Stick insect. Pick an insect, stick an insect on the kitchen floor. Which is insect, which is twig? Who knows any more? Water boatman. Across the pond the boatman rows, where he came from nobody knows. He dips and dives from space to space, the pond is still, he loves to race. What can he see as he darts by? Below dark weeds, above blue sky. Across the pond the boatman rows, where he is going nobody knows. Minibeast. The ants rush around from lawn to nest, they never stop to have a rest. The spiders cast webs from flower to bush, they are never seen working or in a rush. The dragonflies hover high and low, they've never seen so sure of which way to go. The gardener watches and wonders why, they never stop to look at the sky. Ladybird, ladybird. Ladybird, ladybird, don't fly away. Live in my garden, I want you to stay. I've little green bugs all over my trees, so come back and eat them. Ladybird, please. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Owl you have the audio play button, where they will read it to you. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be doing a new word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will take you to this page, and to join the word search you need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press the start button again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your word search. Enjoy and have fun!